Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian guy. If you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you stumble here, in my channel you can find recipes, traditional recipes converted into keto ones whenever it is possible. I have been following the keto lifestyle. I do not consider it a diet at all for 23 months so far, and I'm really healthy, full of energy and happy. 2 weeks ago I uploaded a poll on my YouTube channel to let you guys choose the next video recipe, and as you can see, the second one in numeric or sort, so to say, order is the today's recipe, keto rusks. So let's go straight into the recipe. So let's begin our keto recipe by adding 200 grams of almond flour in a bowl, the most used keto flour. And then we add some baking powder, so feel free to use whatever you have, cream or tartar. This is 15 grams. 4 egg white, 100 grams, 140 grams of egg whites. How many eggs? I will tell you later. It's 4 eggs anyway. And 100 ml of double cream. If you are lactose intolerant, follow me until the end. I will tell you what to replace with. And that's it. Few ingredients. The difficulty in this recipe is that we have to bake twice. You will see in a moment. So let's put everything we whisked in a plum cake container, tray, whatever, and straight into the oven. This is 28 centimeter by 12. I don't know in American measurement, sorry. And 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 minutes fan oven. Let it cool down for at least 2 hours and slice it, because now we have to put it back into the oven, but be careful that the dough is cooled down completely. The same amount of time, the same temperature. I have to say, I'm really satisfied of this recipe. They are really delicious, scrumptious, exquisite, and I can just taste a little bit of back taste of of almond. There is just a little bit of taste of almond, but not too much, believe me. They really look like the gluten rusks ones. Very nice. Let me know in the comments below which spreadable do you put on the top, if jam or just hazelnut cream, spreadable, whatever. Those ones are keto, of course. It's my strawberry jam keto. And I'm really happy. So I hope you like them as well. I have to stop eating them because they're really nice. I didn't put any sweetener as you have seen in the preparation, but if you want a plum cake, you can put some sweetener, of course, or if you like the rusks sweeter, you can put some erythritol or stevia, or in the US you have swerve. I didn't put it because I like the neutral taste. But if you want, you can definitely put it. Let me know in the comments below if you do it. I'm glad to know your variations. So next week, the third recipe of the bowl, the mousse, and with chocolate and eggs. And yeah, that's it. Can I avoid double cream if you are lactose intolerant? Yes, you can put another liquid. You can use almond milk, hazelnut milk, coconut milk. I don't think they should alter the taste too much. As usual, let me know in the comments below. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share the video with your friends. I would really appreciate. You help me to grow. The channel has got so far 2,430 subscribers, and I'm really glad it's growing fast, and thanks to you guys. So that's, having said this, I say goodbye to you for today. We will see you next week, and share the video and subscribe, please remember. See you next time. Bye.